This is an educational video of what not to do to a BMW. On a BMW, you do not put anti-seize on the spark plugs. Here's one of the spark plugs that we took out, and as you can see, the anti-seize is on there, it's fouled. What happens is the millijoule amperage is sent back to the ECU too high and turns off the spark plug intermittently and causes a misfire. So we changed the spark plug, but the new spark plug got contaminated because we had to clean the spark plug thread holes out, and the anti-seize got into the cylinder. The only way to take it out is to, unfortunately, let it evaporate and then start up the vehicle, because you don't want to blow the anti-seize back on the threads you just cleaned, because it's really sensitive. Now here's a plug that we put in, and if I can get a good focus on it, you can see that it's fouled at the base. So this plug was fine up to about 3,000 RPM, but if you put it under load, the plug couldn't go to the full depth of the electrode, the spark, and as you can see from this side, it's fouled. So this is a spark plug that's fouled under load, and this is a BMW OEM dealership Bosch plug. So we're going to put in a new one for the third spark plug and try it again. This was cylinder number 6. Hopefully this was helpful to you. This was Mercedes-Benz Works, established 1985. Have a great day.